Hello and welcome to our course on Excel 2013. My name is Toby and I'm your instructor on this course. Excel 2013 is the latest version of Microsoft's Excel product, and Excel is the world's most popular spreadsheet product. It's used on PCs, on Macs and soon on various other devices, and literally millions of people around the world use Excel every day, not only for things like personal finances, but also it's used in big business and it's very important in areas of business such as finance. First of all, I'd like to talk about who this course is for. If you haven't used a spreadsheet product before, and in particular if you haven't used Microsoft Excel before, this course is for you. I'm going to be going right from the basics of Excel, and hopefully I'll be explaining it in enough detail that you can get up to speed pretty quickly. I will be assuming that you have a reasonable knowledge of using a Windows-based operating system, so I won't be explaining terms like what a mouse is and what a click is and so on, and scrollers and scroll bars and dialogues. I'm assuming that standard Windows terminology and Windows usage you're familiar with. But I won't be assuming anything about knowledge of how spreadsheets work and how to use a spreadsheet program. If you've used Microsoft Excel before in an earlier version, then what I'm going to do at various points is to point out in certain sections that maybe there's a part you can skip, maybe there's a part you could go through quickly, because there's no significant change in this new version. Having said that, if the version of Excel you're used to is older than the 2007 version, so if you've been using Excel 2000 for example, or Excel 2003, then this version is so different that you probably need to go through the whole thing. You won't be used to the ribbon interface, whereas people with a newer version, 2010, 2007 version, will be familiar with the ribbon interface. Although to be fair, there are some significant changes in the ribbon in this version, as we'll see a little bit later on. So if you're